what is an offering you would like to give to yourself this year?
I'll play this in a way where I will answer this with the first thought that comes to my
Also,
mind, and I'm not going to overthink or try to overcomplicate or try to sound smart.
जो भी you feel
एकदम
like
very chill,
naturally तेरे को वो आ रहा है. Also अगर वो question आ रहे हैं कि like for example जब मैंने लिखा था word offering, there was something already going on in my head. Like there was a context for offering. So if you want me to clarify कि offering, what do you mean by offering? And for people as well, just feel free to ask.
Okay, what do you mean? I mean, I have an idea of what it means for me, but if there is a like an understatement of something in the brackets, then
So one question would be, what would you like to give yourself this year? That is not the question. An offering is something you do भगवान को. ठीक है? For example, right? The idea of an offering is that it is a selfless act that you do for yourself as pure admiration or acknowledgement for whatever it is that you've done till now. You did not crash. So as an offering to yourself, as like a pat on the back, or as like a just an acknowledgement of what you did, whatever it is that you did this year, good or bad. What would you like to offer yourself so that you can pick it up from there? And then
like the first thing that comes to my mind, and I believe that is going to be the most honest thing as well, I will offer myself priority. I have always been the kind of person who thrives from external energy. When I say external energy, I mean by people around me. Suddenly, whenever there is any kind of decision, my decision depends on my judgment and my understanding of what people around me want, which has made me who I am today, which is a big part of me. But now that I have so much on my plate and I am involved in so many things, it has started to cost me as well. So I think the most kind thing that I can offer myself, like obviously I have to offer myself more kindness. When I dig deeper into it, that comes with offering myself more priority.
So you want to offer yourself kindness packaged as prioritization of your own self.
Yes. Like I need to start asking myself more that what do you want, irrespective of people, irrespective of situation, which will help me have a better identity, self-identity for myself, better understanding of myself, being more aware. And when I have that kind of answer, what does Jatin want, then I can choose between what does Jatin want or what do people around Jatin want. And then I can make a choice. At least I need to be aware of what does Jatin want, and that will come when I offer myself that space.
100%. और कभी-कभी ऐसा भी तो होता है कि like this is so easily misconstrued as selfishness, but like किसी situation में ऐसा भी होगा, if you ask yourself what does Jatin want, ऐसा होगा Jatin wants to help this other person. This is what Jatin wants.
Yes, exactly.
Right? But if you don't ask it and तुम autopilot में ही हो कि तुम constantly बस you are just there, draining. That is draining. Yeah. And that resentfulness भी तभी आती है कि तुम करी जा रहे हो, अगला बंदा तुमको लगता है कि फिर देख नहीं रहा है मेरे actions and everything.
And this takes me to a beautiful thing that I read recently.
पहले आने वाला तेरे को याद है?
I was reading about कोई मैंने reel देखी थी, and then I started reading about that topic. How much independence matters in any kind of relationship. And I read this beautiful statement somewhere, I forgot where, that if two people in any kind of relationship, friendship, parent, child, whatever, if they become one, then there are no two entities to make a connection. So you need that kind of space, of that kind of selfishness that you were talking about, so that people are two things, because if they are not two, there is no connection.
Crazy. Individuals have to exist
individually
for there to be love.
Yeah, connection.
Yeah. There connection, love or whatever, affinity towards each other, respect. Connection में तो सब चीज़ आ गई ना.
Because if you become one, then you're one person. Then you're losing a sense of two people coming
and
together.
And one person, not literally one person, you're saying कि मतलब कैसा होता है? Poetically नहीं, क्या तेरे को पता होगा literature student? एक होता है literally होता है और क्या होता है?
Metaphorically.
एक और होता है figuratively.
Yeah,
Figuratively.
और जैसे होता है ना कि मैंने कितने रिलेशनशिप्स, रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप और फ्रेंडशिप में भी लोगों को देखा है, पीपल बिकम सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर.
दो जिसमें एक जान.
हाँ, लाइक जो तेरे को चाहिए वो मेरे को चाहिए, जो मेरे को चाहिए वो मेरे को चाहिए, and then they get frustrated that no one is taking the decision.
True.
But yeah, back to the question, Vishnu, what do you want to offer yourself?
I think mera first thing that comes to mind is space. I would like to offer myself space. Because from everything in general, like for just space for myself. I would like to offer myself space for myself because I feel my thoughts and ideas and not just creatively, but things I want to do on a daily basis, my trips, my adventures, everything is coming out of a place of external triggers. कुछ externally होता है and then मेरा मन करता है वो करने का. मैंने ट्रिप का ये देखा, गोवा में ये पार्टी हो रही है, जतिन ने मुझे बताया और मैं एक्साइट हो गया. नॉट लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट, ऑब्वियसली आई वांट टू गो एंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ ग्रेट ट्रिप. मतलब उसमें कुछ बुरा नहीं है, बट आई एम सेइंग आई also want a space where that is not the only case all the time. I want there to be कि मेरी like no distraction, no ad online, no friend, no parents, किसी कहीं से भी कोई influence नहीं, but like just me and my thought that is that today I wanna जैसे मुझे वो टेबल बिल्ड करना है बहुत टाइम से, जो मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मुझे टेबल बनाना है एक छोटा सा, चाहे छोटा सा हो, जस्ट वांट टू मेक वन टेबल एंड सी टेबल बनता कैसे है, राइट. एंड आई हैवंट हैड द स्पेस टू थिंक मोर अबाउट इट इनफ कि मैं यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल देखूँ, देन टू ऑर्डर द सामान एंड देन टू स्पेस टू एक्चुअली और हैव द टाइम टू मेक इट, बिकॉज life comes in the way. So I want to offer myself space to do these things this year.
And to be honest, hearing this makes me feel nice for you as a friend, because I have seen past few years and past year specifically very closely how it has been for you, and I think that you are in the direction of getting that space for yourself, and I wish that space for you.
Whoa, cutie. All right, great question. How do you rate that question? It's a solid one. The first question.
Solid first question. Like Sida puts you from here to somewhere.
But यही बात कर रहा था. Like, a word like offering can change so much. Like the way you ask question and if you give context and if you're articulate enough, and that's मेरे को लगता है friendships में भी usually ये चीज़ मिस हो जाती है.
Exactly.
हम पूछते हम एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं और क्या करेगा इस साल. That's such a shit question. क्या करूँगा भाई, क्या करूँगा, वही करूँगा जो अभी तक कर.
What do you want next year?
Want अलग है.
Completely different. Want में ना फिर आ जाती है कि अच्छा अगले साल मेरे को ये करना है, ये जॉब चाहिए, ये काम स्टार्ट करना है.